Ready, 1, 2, smile.
Natatakot ako baka manilo siya. Gusto niya actually, ay hindi ako fan ng gano'n. Siya yung gusto sabi ni Atay.
Pero nakita ko ito, Maria, ang dami pala nagkakita sa Pilipinas. Gusto ko lang siguraduhin. Meron bang Bisaya dito?
Ito. Nasa ng mga Gen Z?
Saan ang mga millennial?
Nagpasok din ba yung mga taga-maintenance?
busi sila. Bago ang lahat, nandito yung buong tax team na pinakabata hanggang sa
Maintenance!
hanggang sa pinakamatanda. Tax team na dito. Bonita, kaya pa-premyo at saka vibes ngayong gabi. Ako pala, ang Daniel Radio, Kawai Bluebird para sa tagpuyatan na alas 9 ng gabi hanggang alauna ng magaling araw. Well, mula dito, sa kaligitan, si Pepero para sa tanghali na alas 10 ng umaga hanggang alas 2 ng hapon at nasa VIP! Si Louis Acosta para sa tag break na alas 2 ng hapon hanggang alas 4 ng hapon.
Hey yo, what's up, mga Lodi? My name is Papsi Lloyd ng Patok Jebrox. Magpapakinggan nyo every weekend, alas 8 hanggang alas 11 ng umaga.
At ako naman yung susunod naman kay Papsi. Mula 11 a.m. hanggang 2 p.m. Sabado at Linggo rin ang inyong singerist. Monday, Tuesday po para sa Pinoy Song Hits.
What's up mga tol? My name is Alfred Rice at ako naman makakasama nyo Saturday and Sunday 2 to 5 p.m. sa Banda Ako. At ako naman po si Andy Sal ng Tag 2020. Mapapakinggan tuwing Sabado at Linggo alas 5 ng hapon hanggang alas 8 ng gabi at sa Tag Pack Up na kapag Thursdays and Fridays.
At ako naman ang iyong sinta na si Christy Nola, ang iyong drive time sweetheart, kasama ni Ate Kelly Bell, ang inyong pagpakap na gang! Gang, 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 gang! 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. sa Tagapakap na.
And of course, ang inyong hot momchi, Maria Maldita, kasama ng ating maintenance sa ating breaky body na si Johnny Dariani. Tagising na 5 a.m. to 10 a.m. Sino ang nakikinig mga taga-maintenance? Yes! Sising pa mga taga-maintenance. Dahil eto na, tag-ibig ngayon buwan, diba? Gusto namin mas masaya, mas memorable, at syempre mas nakakakilig ang inyong Pebrero.
Kaya bago tayo mag-sing along, alam ko sobrang excited na kayo. Magbibigay muna kami ng mga pang-chill, pang-date, at sa mga single dyan, pang-self-love, para mas masaya naman ang pag-ibig natin.
Yes! So kung nakita niyo po, unti-unti silang nawawala, naglaho na, kasi nga naman, ang ating mga top jocks, nag-iikot na po, makikita niyo sila dyan, kasi mamimigay tayo ng prizes! Gusto niyo ba ng prize? Okay, so ang game natin, bagong-bago, super bago po ito, pinamagandang Bring Me! Okay, so pamagitin po namin yung name ng jock, hahanapin ninyo, dun yung dadalhin yung sasabihin namin. Okay? Ready na kayo? Global Village, are you ready? Okay, para sa ating unang game, hanapin niyo si Bluebird.
Si Kabayang Bluebird!
Okay, Daddy B. Bring me. So, ang price po natin dito ay 400 dirhams to Garden Inn. Pang-date. Okay, bring to Daddy B yung willing kumanta para sa taong mahal niya sa stage. Sa stage. Dito sa stage. Ang kailangan natin ay bring to Money Tuesday. May banner for Ben and Ben.
Sino mga nag-prepare ng banner for Ben and Ben? Itakbo kay Daddy Tuesday!
Meron na? Okay, perfecto.
Bilis! Ang bilis! Pero huwag ka mag-alala kasi may chance pa. Ang susunod naman natin, kailangan hanapin si Alfred Rice! Andun si Alfred Rice!
Yung makita po yung noo. At saka yung ulo.
Oo! Ang pinamimigay nating papremyo, 200 dirhams voucher para sa QWERTY Restaurant. Pang date night para
Yes.
for Valentine's. Perfect, ha? Ano bang hinahanap natin? Eto na, ilapag nyo na. Bring me yung taong mahal mo.
Yung legal po, ha? Yung legal. Legal.
At saka,
Yung pwede picturean.
yung alam niya na mahal mo siya.
Oo.
Yun. Alfred!
Meron na?
Meron na?
Wow, ang dami talagang ano, nagmamahal.
kanina kasi this time, bring me mga single na walang jowa! Single, mga single, so anak-anak ba si Alfred Rice?
Meron na, Alfred, single? Meron na.
Meron na.
Okay, next. Hanapin niyo naman si Andy San. Andy, where are you?
Andy, where are
Andy?
you?
Andy?
Where are you?
Andy?
Andy, tumalong ka.
Andy, tumayo ka, please. Ano po si Andy San? Dito natin malalaman kung nakikinig kayo sa TAG 91.1. Bring to Andy San. Nakafollow sa social media ng TAG 91.1. Dalawa ang ating winner siya ng 200 dirhams to Coco Lounge. Pang-date. Andy, meron ka nang nahanap? Dalawa na nakafollow sa social media ng TAG 91.1.
Or kung hindi
Meron
pa
na?
nakafollow, i-follow na ngayon.
O, follow niyo na. Now na.
Tubig pa?
Meron ka! Ano si Andy? Takbo! Talon! Tawid!
200 dirhams yan para sa Coco Lounge.
Okay na?
Meron na ba?
Bilis!
Dalawa na?
Dalawa na.
Okay na. Okay.
Yes! So, dahil nga naman excited na kayo, kami muna yung kakanta. Gusto niyo ba ito? Hindi ba? Gusto mo naman kumanta?
Hindi. Yung kanina na hinanap natin sa kauna-unahang brainy natin, di ba nagtanong tayo, sino yung willing kumanta para sa taong mahal niya dito sa stage na to?
Okay, Daddy Bluebird, pasok. Dali na natin ang ating winner ng willing kumanta para sa kamamahal niya.
Grabe ang swerte naman yan, haharanahin in front of the global
Oo,
village
global village.
crowd.
Tapos 400 dirhams na voucher ang
Oo.
price. Daddy B, dala na ba ang winner?
Or kinabahan ba? Kinabahan ba
Baka nagpa-practice ka.
Nagpa-practice. Kasi kung kinabahan, merong willing.
Merong winning.
Willing.
Ako din, pinakanta lang kita. Ano ang paborito mong song ng Ben and Ben?
So I'm coming home to you.
Ano mo pa siya? Ako din, wait lang.
O ikaw, sige, anong paborito mong song ng Ben and Ben?
Paninindigan kita. Sabi ni Louie, bakit ka kumanda? Bakit? Use!
Nagalit si Madam Louie na
Nasa tono naman lang. Wala ba?
Yung mga katagba natin, ano bang paborito niyong Ben and Ben song? Pareho sa'yo.
Ano mga liwanag? Ha? Narinig ko lang Ben and Ben. Ano? Araw-araw? Upuan? Lips? O lahat na? Buong album?
Ilan? Ano?
Buong album. Ayun na, narinig na si Daddy B. Oh, ayan. Ano yung pangalan? Bakit kayo na holding hands?
Naka-couple jacket sila. Interviewin muna natin.
Yes. Ano pong name?
Ano pong name? Rhea. Rhea. Content member daw ng Ben and
Okay,
Ben.
nakakatay kuya? Araw-araw, okay.
Let's give it up for EJ and Rhea.
Sino kayong dalawa? Okay, go kuya. Chorus lang. Gusto mo ba pong kanta?
Chorus lang, may concert pa tayo.
Oh, sino ba yung to?
Mahiwaga, pipiliin ka.
Tuloy mo, tuloy mo, tuloy mo.
Ang nadama.
Oh kuya, nakalimutan na yung lyrics.
Tulungan natin si EJ.
nagustuhan nyo lang dito at ang buong TAG 91.1. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. And don't forget to follow TAG 91.1 sa social media pages at sa podcast. May podcast po kami. Puntahan nyo naman po yung ating YouTube and listen to TAG 91.1.
Ito na nga, Global Village! Ang pinakahihintay natin lahat! Hindi makapag-isip! Kaya ihanda na ang inyong pagtingin at ang inyong mga singing voice because this could be something!
Bakit nakataas agad yung mga cellphone nyo ngayon? Kanina na lang ganyan. Bakit?
Isang oras na yung recording nila.
Patagalin ko pa kaya to? Medyo ano pa eh, matagal pa. Extend ko pa kaya to? Yes,
Alamin mo na natin na talaga excited sila.
excited ka na ba? O sige, gusto namin malaman kung gaano ka lang ka-excited.
Mahina ako.
Sigaw nga kayo. Ben! 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 1 minute. 1 minute. Hindi daw naririnig ang Ben and Ben again. Bakit yung kukonti niyan dito? Mas malakas yung boses kaysa dun sa likod. Mas marami yung nasa likod. Ba't ganun? Dito nga sa side na to. Ben and Ben, 1, 2, 3, go! Lakas. Ang lalakas ang boses ng mga batang to ah.
Nalalim ng boses.
Oo nga, Ben
Mga
and Ben.
nagpipinata.
Ben and Ben.
Parang maganda. Yung ano pa nga ba? Ben and Ben.
Tama. Sige nga, testing natin sa mga Ben and Ben. 1, 2, 3, go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Oh,
It's possible that we won't be halfway. We've got to confess, you say, we tell we wish. Honesty, I believe it's a shot in the dark. You're always with me. Let's go.
And we're so happy to be back here. For this next song, kung sigurado ka na sa kanya, sabihin mo ng mahal. Naninindigan kita!
magandang gabi sa inyo lahat, Dubai. It's so good to be back here in Dubai. So if it's your first time watching us, we are Ben and Ben, and it's actually our 4th time here in Dubai. But every time we come back, yung energy nyo parang first time naman dito! Maraming salamat for coming tonight, for showing up. You guys are such a beautiful audience tonight. Can you give it up for yourselves, guys? We love you, we appreciate you, and we hope you will enjoy tonight. Kasi guys, okay lang ba kung medyo damihan namin yung mga kanta tonight? Okay lang kayo? Sige, check muna natin kung kamusta tayo lahat ngayong gabi. Yung lahat ng nasa side na to, special Dubai. We'll be singing some songs the first time namin tutugtugin dito sa Dubai. Pero bago yun, if you guys know this next one, please sing as loud as you can. We love you, Dubai! Dubai. Alam niyo ba? Kayo pa rin Okay pa ba kayo, Dubai?
Yes!
Okay pa? Okay pa? Alright. May nanginig ako doon. Hindi na ako okay! Okay lang po yun. Hello sa inyo. Hello. Hello sa inyo. Hello. Again, we are back in to all our Filipino listeners, maraming salamat for being here. But if you're not Filipino and if it's your first time watching us, we hope you like our music. Palakpakan niyo mga sarili natin. You give it up for yourselves for being here tonight. Love you. We love you. We love you. We appreciate your energy tonight. Okay, speaking of the songs, the first time namin natugtugan, we're going to play it for the first time ever here in Dubai. This next one is a song that we played a lot last year because with everything that's been going on in our country and in the world, this is a love song to the Philippines. And this song, ang sinasabi nito, is when we all come together to unite for a cause, that's where the true power is. Pero mas masarap pag tinagalog mo ang tunay na kapangyarihan! And yes, ito ang band! And this song is called Kapangyarihan. Kaya niyo ba ang kapangyarihan ay nasa inyo? Sino ba kayo? Di naman kami nagpapanaw sa aming pag-uwan. Di ka namin isusukyan. Kung hindi ka ba Tulong na yan! Was there a Alam niyo, Dubai? Napansin ko, ito nga yata yung pinaka malamig na panahon dito sa Dubai na naranasan namin. Ano ba yun? Malamig din, di ba? Kaya sobrang naniniwala kami. Pero sobrang sarap na yun kasi we get to go around a bit, we get to see a lot of old and new friends, and we get to see all of you tonight, Dubai. Palakpakan niyo ulit yung mga sarili niyo. Maraming salamat. Ngayon, speaking of the cold and seasons, these next few songs remind us of the seasons in our life. Minsan okay tayo, pero minsan meron tayong mga pinagdadaanan. Tama ba yun? Tapos kami naman pinagdadaanan niyo yung gabi. Now, if you're going through something right now, even if we don't know each other, even if probably it's the first time you're seeing us, these next two songs are for all of you. Now, this first one is a song about wanting to be with someone kahit na malayo siya sa'yo. O minsan katabi mo na siya pero parang ang layo-layo pa rin niya sa'yo. Oh no! This is a song about distance and longing, and it's called Autumn. dreams. You told me not to touch the light. I never thought we'd two be through. I couldn't really justify how you even thought it could be right. If everything we cherished is gone, and in the end, can you tell me if it was worth the try? So I can decide. You know it, goodbye. We still so cold out the berries of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves of the grown from the comets to seas, and all will be alright in time. No, you never really loved someone until you learn to forget. Try as hard as I might to flee the shadows of the night. It haunts me and it makes me feel good. But how can I try to hide when every breath and every hour I still live thinking of you? And in the end, everything we are makes it worth the fight. So I will hold as the leaves will soon grow on the beds of trees, and all will be alright in time. Waves overgrown on the colors of seas, and all will be alright in time. More than ever really love someone until she learned to forget. And I see the day that I decided my dream would stay. But in the end, we're meant to fight. And no matter what happens, we try to make it right. Alright, goodbye. It's your turn. Sing. All will be alright. One more time for the world. Sing. Sing. All will be alright in time. No, you never really love someone until you learn to forget. Itong susunod na kanta, it's a very special song, these next two songs. Dahil itong mga susunod na kanta, kadalasan nakita ko yung mga meme na lumalabas na parang pag sa concert, laging tinatanong, sino dito yung mga nasaktan? Diba? Tapos laging ang daming natataas ng kamay. Dahil, karamihan sa atin, minsan pumunta sa mga concert kasi gusto nating makalimutan yung mga sakit na nararamdaman natin. Tama ba yun? But one of the things we love doing is to really sing about painful experiences because sometimes, not all the time, matatakbuhan natin yung mga sakit na nararamdaman natin sa puso. Diba? At itong susunod ng mga kanta ay tungkol sa mga iba't ibang klaseng pain that we have experienced in life. Beginning with this next one, it's a song that really, nagkaroon ulit siya ng isang cover last year by a guy named Kent who sang this on Tawag ng Tanghalan. And this song is a song that we wrote a couple of years back called The Once We Once Loved. Saw you sitting, I saw the other day. It's been a long time since your eyes lit up that way. I felt the guilt build up as I looked back how things went wrong. Did I have to sweep in and scream? 5 years we shared bittersweet you. And we broke up because sometimes it ain't the best to do. Did it ever cross your mind that maybe you hurt me too? But I'm not taking it against you. Since the beginning, I never wanted anything but to see you reach your dreams. And you just wanted me, but I had dreams of my own, and I just couldn't let them go. So I apologize for coming into your life just to break your pieces and leave you in the night. And I tried my best to stay by your side, but when you move the rolling seasons were revealed, and sometimes we are meant to be the one. So goodbye to the ones we once loved. Things got heavy, you expect more of me. I tried to be there siya. Maraming salamat, Dubai. Dubai, buhay pa ba kayo? Para patunayan kung buhay pa ang Dubai ngayong gabi. Para sa next song, sa intro nito, pwede ba tayong tumalyan ng sabay-sabay? Are you ready, Dubai? Alright, let's go!
May patong kalulog yung tagyan mo. May patong yung meron ka lang yan, yung tagyan.
Salita, sabi mo, di wala akong magpapasaya. maraming kanta na na-inspire at ni-record dito mismo sa Dubai! Back in 2022, one of the first few shows after the pandemic was Dubai Expo, and I was one of the first few gigs. Actually, yan yung first gig pala namin ever after the pandemic. Nagulat kami na nag-live shows na rin dito, and we were so overwhelmed to see the support of so many of you. Sino din na nandun ng Dubai Expo? Oh, gosh. Okay. And so, during that same time, we also recorded a song that is very, very special. And we haven't played this song in years, but tonight, we will play it for you, Dubai. Okay lang ba yun? Okay. Pero meron kaming request for this next one. Pwede nyo bang ilabas? Can you bring out your phone lights from the front all the way to the back? Let's all bring out our phone lights, Dubai. Labasin mo ang phone lights nyo. Okay. Tapos pakinggan nyo ako mabuti. Iwan nyo lang silang bukas, leave them open, but put them down first. Baba nyo muna, baba nyo muna. At pag bilang ko ng tatlo, itataas natin ang sabay-sabay. Okay lang ba yan? Alright, Dubai. This is a love song, and it's called Dear. 2, 3,
Only the two of us.
that song. That song was inspired by this guy's ex-girlfriend, now wife. Wala pa ko naman si Paolo, bagong kasal! So that was a very, very meaningful moment for the band, obviously for Paolo, but we were very happy during that time. And these last 3 songs, they're all love songs, also inspired by very personal experiences. And this next one, actually, alam nyo, tonight is a very special night because this next one is the first time ever that we're performing this song sa ibang bansa. At dito sa Dubai, masaya kami dito namin siya magagawa. Palakpakan nyo! So to share something a bit personal, a few days from now, I'm celebrating the 3rd anniversary namin ng asawa ko. Nako, may problema pala tayo. Oh my gosh guys, sorry. Yung in-introduce kong song, mamaya pa pala namin tutugtugin kasi hindi pa pala 3 songs, last 4 songs pa pala. Sorry, kunyari hindi nyo narinig yun, okay lang kayo, diba? Okay. We tried. Pero itong susunod na kanta ay para sa mga pinaka-underrated na relationship natin sa buhay, ang mga kaibigan natin! This is a song about our friends that we love.